Hey guys, welcome back to NaturalLee. Today we'll be doing our African black soap shampoo. You can even call it Ghana black soap shampoo. We're mixing it with herbs and spices that stimulate and promote hair growth, softens the hair, reduces hair breakage, and makes the hair thick and strong. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe for more videos and more updates. So we first of all start by boiling our flaxseed. Flaxseed is very good for the hair. It helps stimulate the blood in the hair, causing the hair to grow. When you boil flaxseed, it becomes very slimy, just like aloe vera. So it makes the hair easy to be detangled, it makes the hair soft, and it makes the hair curly. In starting our shampoo, our first ingredient we use is chia seeds. So my hair was having issues and I decided to take it upon myself to take care of it. Our first ingredient I use is chia seeds. As the video goes on, please continue watching so you know the benefits of these seeds in the hair. Our next ingredient is black seed. These seeds are in the market. When you are looking for them and you ask, I'm sure you'll be able to find one in your local market. Our third ingredient is rosemary. So when you pay attention to the hair growth oils and the rest, you realize that rosemary is one of their major ingredients in their hair growth oils or hair growth treatments. Rosemary is one of the major ingredients. Our next ingredient is fenugreek seeds, and it's very effective for both natural and permed hair. Our last but not least ingredient is cloves. So cloves is widely used across the country. In my country, outside, Indians, the whites, any type of hair, cloves works perfectly with your hair. Cloves works perfectly with your hair. So if you don't have cloves, you can use either of these ingredients. These ingredients are equally effective, but when you have all available, it's best to just add all and then use them. Our last ingredient is sesame seeds. Sesame seeds is not quite no, I don't want to say it's not common. It's very common when you are looking for it. When you go to the market, you find sesame seeds around, and it's also very effective for the hair. So once I mix all these ingredients can also be used in our daily dishes. So it's serving dual purpose, that these ingredients that you can consume can also be used for the hair, because if you can put something within your system and it's helpful, you should be able to use that in your hair as well. So after I join all these ingredients, I then add them to the flaxseed that is already boiling on the fire, and we see that the boiling process helps remove all the nutrients from the seeds. The nutrients in the seeds come out during the boiling process. We can see that the water is turning greenish because of the rosemary leaves that's in it, and it's also turning blackish because of the cloves and other ingredients in it. So while the seeds or the ingredients are on the fire boiling, extracting the nutrients from it, I then come to my black soap. This is how the African black soap looks like. I'll do a video in case you want to know how it is done. I'll add a link to a video how I learned how I saw how African black soap is done, which has made me appreciate it more than I even used to do. So I then chop my African black soap in the size that the liquid or the mixture that I'm mixing on the fire can contain. You don't have to let the black soap dominate the mixture so much, because we know how strong black soap is. When it's so strong, it can end up damaging your hair. Now let's take a look at some benefits of these products for the hair. So African black soap helps maintain a healthy scalp. It reduces dandruff, it promotes hair growth, it nourishes the hair follicles, it makes hair grow faster, it softens and moisturizes the hair, it makes curly hair more defined and bouncy, and it reduces hair loss. while I strain my mixture now, I think that the mixture is well like infused with the nutrients that were in the ingredients I bought, so it's very well infused. Imagine putting this in your scalp. It's going to go a long way by healing every scalp issue you have. It will heal every scalp issue that you have. Let's take a look at the ingredients I use, their benefits one after the other. So flaxseed is rich in vitamin E, which is great for both skin and hair health. The nutrient promotes the health of the scalp by reducing free radical damage. It helps improve circulation in the head, thus promoting hair growth and slowing down their hair breakage. So as I said earlier, flaxseed is very slimy. That is what has made the mixture a bit slippery. It looks like I've added okra to it, but it's flaxseed that has made it look that slimy. When you leave it in your hair, the next day it looks so curly, so soft and so bouncy. So you should try flaxseed in your hair growth routine once in a while. Our next ingredient is chia seeds. So what are chia seeds? Chia seeds, before I come to the chia seeds, after I did the mixture, I added olive oil. We know how important olive oil is to our hair growth, and then I added a bit of glycerin. So glycerin helps the hair absorb any nutrients that you put in the hair. So let's say I put hair cream in the hair and my hair is not absorbing it enough. Even though my hair is highly porous, it's not absorbing the nutrients enough. When I add glycerin to the hair product, it's able to make the hair absorb so much of the product. Organic chia seeds are packed full of fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, protein and calcium, which makes them a powerful hair strengthener. They are made of protein and are perfect for thickening and growing hair strands when infused with other hair products. I then add my honey to it. Honey too is very good for the hair. It stimulates hair growth. Honey makes the hair very, very soft. When you use it to deep condition your hair, the hair becomes very, very soft. Rosemary has been found to increase the hair growth of new hair by 22% when massaged into the scalp. It works by stimulating scalp circulation and can be used to grow longer hair, prevent baldness, or stimulate new hair growth in balding areas. Fenugreek seeds replenish the hair and provide smoothness, allowing us to detangle our hair easily post every wash. This also helps restore luster. In addition, fenugreek has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that helps with dandruff, scalp irritation and acne. So meaning you can use fenugreek for both your skin and your hair. Now what about cloves? It helps get rid of dandruff. It fights scalp irritations. It avoids premature graying. It controls hair fall. There's one important that I missed. It thickens the hair. Cloves really thicken the hair. When you mix cloves with water and spray it into your hair every day, you will see the magic that will happen to your hair. Sesame seeds strengthen the roots. The rich omega fatty acids content present in the seeds help promote hair growth and also repairs hair damage. This also helps in nourishing the scalp and improving blood circulation to rejuvenate hair follicles. So these are the seeds that were present in my shampoo. Imagine having all these seeds in your shampoo. You can see that your shampoo will go a long way to give your hair so much strength. After I took my hair down, as usual, natural hair is supposed to break, and then or I wouldn't say it's supposed to per se, but it's natural for the hair to fall, but it shouldn't be so much to the extent that you end up losing every growth that you had. The last time I braided my hair was 10 days ago. I washed, I deep conditioned the hair with honey and egg, and I added coconut oil, and then I later braided it into 3 types. I'll add the link to the video. When you watch that video, you realize that my hair has really grown. My hair has really grown. When you watch that video, you realize there's been a great improvement in my hair. In this video, you could even see that I am able to hold pony, just a little pony. If I am able to stretch the hair enough with the African thread, I'll be able to hold pony for myself. Yeah. And I've also noticed that my hair has become very thick. You can see from this video how my hair is bouncy, is black, is dark, is thick, and is very strong. So before I start using the shampoo, my homemade DIY shampoo, I make sure I dampen my hair a bit, meaning I wet it a bit before applying the shampoo. You guys know how black soap can really lather, like it's serious. I don't know the magic, the science, the chemical behind it, but it's a pure natural thing that causes, I don't know what causes it to lather this much, but it really lathers. And I take advantage of this opportunity to massage my scalp, because I wouldn't let all these ingredients that I have done at home go waste by not massaging my scalp. So I make sure that I use enough to massage my scalp. Every strand gets enough. This is my applicator bottle I sell myself, so I just decided to take one and then pour my shampoo in it and then use it for my hair. My hair is not very much, so I don't really need a lot to shampoo the hair. I just need enough that will help me shampoo the hair. The first time I braided my hair after my big chop last year, June, last year, June, I decided to cut the hair until I realized, or I'm confident that my scalp has fully healed. So I cut my hair in June. I think every month I take my hair down, and it's not down like leaving it a bit, to be honest. I take everything down. Yes, I'll add pictures so that you know how my hair was in June. I kept on cutting it till December. The last time I cut my hair was in December. It was so down. Like in my country, we say sakura, almost bald. And I decided not to cut my hair from January this year. And I feel that since the time I braided in April, my first braid after my big chop was in April, till September now, I see great difference. I haven't been to the salon for so long, and I think that I'll be able to take care of my hair myself when I do my own research on how to grow healthy hair, how to treat the scalp and everything. I believe I'll be able to take care of my hair myself, and you can do same at home, because I feel that we all have the potential to do something if we want to do it. So yeah guys, this is my hair journey channel, and if you wish to join me, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notifications button, so as soon as I upload any magical remedy, you'll be the first to be notified. I hope you try this remedy at home, or I hope you try this at home, because it is very helpful. It is very helpful. I'll end here for today. My name is NaturalLee, or you can call me Lydia. Till next time, bye.